nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry cabbage with scallion soy sauce. Hope you like it. This stir-fried cabbage with a strong onion flavor goes well with rice. My family and I love it. The crispy cabbage tastes refreshing and sweet, has a crispy and tender texture, and has a slight natural sweetness. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, ginger, scallion soy sauce. This is the dry soy sauce I bought in Malacca. I found it is also very good for cooking, so I share it with you. This soy sauce is purely for my family and I to enjoy. No advertising ya. Stir-fry chopped ginger to release flavor. Add cabbage and stir-fry together. Add a teaspoon salt to taste. Add a tablespoon scallion soy sauce. Stir fry. The key to making the cabbage crispy is to control the heat and time. It is usually recommended to stir-fry quickly over high heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. First, heat the pan and add a proper amount of oil. When the oil is hot, add the cabbage and stir-fry quickly until the cabbage turns brighter and the leaves soften slightly but still remain upright. The cabbage fried in this way can maintain a crisp and tender texture while locking in the sweet taste. If you stir-fry it for too long, the cabbage will become soft and lose its crispness. Plate cabbage. This dish has the right amount of saltiness and sweetness, and the taste is just right because the soy sauce has a sweet flavor. The reason why cabbage goes well with rice is mainly due to its unique taste and flavor. Cabbage can still maintain a certain crispness after being fried, which forms a sharp contrast with the soft and glutinous rice, adding to the fun of eating. Cabbage itself has a natural sweet taste. After simple seasoning, it can not only highlight the sweetness of vegetables, but also complement the lightness of rice. The loose structure of cabbage leaves can well absorb the taste of seasonings and oils, making it rich in flavor after frying, and more delicious when paired with rice. The refreshing characteristics of cabbage can neutralize the greasy feeling, especially when paired with heavy flavored dishes. It plays a role in balancing the taste and increasing people's appetite. Cabbage is rich in vitamins and dietary fiber. It is healthy and can increase satiety. It is a good choice for rice. These characteristics make cabbage a rice artifact in home cooking, simple but memorable. CK. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and dietary fiber, which helps boost immunity and promote digestive health. It contains antioxidants such as sulfides and polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and prevent chronic diseases. Cabbage is low in calories and is ideal for weight loss diets, while providing rich minerals such as calcium, potassium, and magnesium. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? People with thyroid dysfunction should eat cabbage in moderation, as it contains thiocyanate, which may affect the thyroid's absorption of iodine. People with sensitive digestive systems or those prone to bloating should be aware that the fiber and oligosaccharides in cabbage may cause gastrointestinal discomfort or bloating. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and dietary fiber, which helps to enhance immunity, promote digestion, and bone health. It also contains antioxidants and various minerals such as potassium and calcium, which are beneficial to cardiovascular health and overall nutritional balance. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.